Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today I'm going to make some deviled eggs. So actually I just boiled some eggs in my Instant Pot. This is, you can't tell it's boiled, but it is. I did it in my Instant Pot. That's another video. Anyways, and I thought, well, I'm going to make some deviled eggs, so I may as well make a video about how I make deviled eggs. And this is really simple. I just cut the eggs in half, so what I got, 4 eggs that I cut in half. That's all I'm doing right now. And anyway, so I took the yolks out, and yeah, I overcooked my eggs in the Instant Pot, but I haven't. It was my first time doing them in the Instant Pot, but I'm just gonna break up these yolks a little bit, and then all I put in mine is mayonnaise and mustard. I got some spicy mustard here. I put a little paprika on top. So, and I never measure, so I have no clue how much. I just put some in there. That's probably a lot, but it'll do. And that'll do. And then we mix this all together. You could put chives in it, or just sprinkle chives on top, or I don't know, put capers on it maybe. But literally, that's all I do. And I don't even bother to get all the lumps out of the egg yolk. Yep, that's it. That looks perfect to me. And then I just stick some in the eggs, like this. Just divvy it around into the eggs. Anyway, so I'll put all that in there and then sprinkle a little paprika on top. And that's how I make deviled eggs. Talk to you guys later.